In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI for writing emails and reports. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication or craft detailed reports with ease, Notion AI can be a powerful tool to have in your digital toolkit. So let's dive in and explore how you can harness its capabilities. First, let's head over to the Notion homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to Notion's homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all the magic begins. Now, take a look at the Private tab within this sidebar. You'll want to click on Add Page. This will be the starting point for creating either an email or a report. Adding a new page is as simple as a single click, and it sets the foundation for everything you're about to create with Notion AI. Next, you'll need to give your new page a title. Think of something that accurately reflects the content you intend to create. Whether it's weekly report or client follow-up email, having a clear title helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easy to find later on. With your page titled, scroll down to the bottom section where you'll find the Ask AI button. Clicking this will activate Notion AI, which is where the real creation begins. This feature is designed to assist you by drafting text based on your input, saving you time and ensuring you're starting with a solid foundation. Now it's time to type in the details of the email or report you want to create. Be as specific as possible about the content and tone you're aiming for. Notion AI will then generate a draft based on your input, providing you with a customized piece that fits your needs. This draft is a great starting point, but you can always tweak and adjust the text to better match your personal style or to include specific details relevant to your situation. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've harnessed the power of Notion AI to efficiently create emails and reports. Remember, while Notion AI provides a great starting point, the best results come from refining the generated content to perfectly suit your needs. You now have the tools to make your writing process faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.